Mr. President, if you do not see something wrong with what has been done, then there is something wrong with you.
Welcome to Latest News Today TV.
Actually, I was surprised doon sa naging reaksyon ng Pangulo because the questions, first of all, were directed against his Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, si Secretary Abalos. Ang pagkaalam ko po, under the doctrine of qualified political agency, ang kalihim, ang takapagsalita ng Pangulo in their own respective areas of competence, katulad ng agriculture, the Secretary of Agriculture, kung tungkol sa police, si Secretary Abalos. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Pangulo na siya ang takapagsalita ng kanyang kalihim baliktad, ano? Ngunit, let's get to the point. Hindi ko nga alam kung ba't nagagalit si Pangulong Marcos. Oo, hindi naman siya inaano. Si Secretary Abalos naman ang kausap eh. Bakit sumingit siya? Bakit masyadong personal sa kanya? Okay, with the kind permission of everyone, himayin natin yung statement niya. Sabi niya, tungkol doon sa pag-donate ng isang pribadong tao ng reward money. Bakit hindi? Ang sagot po dyan, hindi pwede, Mr. President, kasi katulad ng sinabi ng ating kasamang attorney Israelito Torion, may batas po, kasi sabi nyo, sundin ang batas. May 6713. Meron ding 3019, yung Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, na nagsasabing hindi pwedeng hindi pantay-pantay ang pagtrato sa mga official functions. Hindi pwedeng may preference. Nandyan po yan sa Section 3E ng 3019. Pakibasa po. Because when you took an oath, after you were elected to the presidency, you swore to uphold the Constitution and all other laws of the country. Batas po yan. Ngayon po, hindi naman po kami nagsasabing wag magbigay ng bounty. Practice po talaga yan. Nagtatanong po kami, sino po ba yan? Kasi ayaw i-disclose. Sabi nyo, why not? Ngunit, entitled po. The public has a right to know. Kasi nasa saligang batas po natin, the right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. That includes access to information on all decisions and transactions of government. Decision. Bakit nagdesisyon ang Secretary of the Interior at sanctioned nyo pa, konsentido nyo pa na tumanggap ng pribadong pera? Hindi po ba merong intelligence fund ang gobyerno para magbigay ng pabuya? Nasaan? Anong nangyari doon sa intelligence fund? Alam nyo, Mr. President, there is also such a concept as equal protection. Noon pong Mayo, nagpartihan ng yung mga tipsters ng information money, 11 po sa kanila, nagparti lamang 1.9 million. That's an average of less than 200,000 per person. Huwag nating sabihin na minor crimes yun kasi ang mga tipsters po nagbigay din ng information on rape, murder, mga heinous crimes din. Noon pong a few months back, nagbigay ng pabuya. Meron pong isang MILF commander, ang pangalan, si Commander Wahab Gara. Siya po at ang kanyang mga followers ay lumusob sa 2 baryo sa Mindanao. 25 tao ang namatay, including 1 soldier and 1 policeman who responded to the attack. Magkano po ang bounty doon kay Commander Gara? 1.3 million lamang. Yun pong mga kaibigan ko sa media, nagsasabi, ang dami-daming pinapatay na media men. Magkano ang ino-offer na reward ninyo? 200,000, 300,000, buhay po ito. May pinatay ba si Pastor Kibuloy? Are these crimes, even assuming na may probable cause, are they violent crimes? Bakit 10 milyon? Under the Constitution which you swore to implement as President, as Chief Executive, as the main person tasked to implement all the laws of the country. Equal protection, every person similarly situated should be treated in the same manner. Bakit yung pumatay ng 25 tao, 1.3? Bakit ito po walang pinatay? 10 milyon. 10 milyon. Pribado pa. So, this is so wrong on so many levels. Mr. President, if you do not see something wrong with what has been done, then there is something wrong with you.